Today's teacher tip is working on vocal volume for our Parkinson's clients.
Mariska Breland and Megan Kopel are fitness fanatics.
I was diagnosed with MS when I was 27.
But when Mariska learned she had multiple sclerosis, she wasn't sure what type of exercise was safe until she found Pilates.
It works balance, strength, and flexibility, and these are all things that you can lose with neurological conditions.
She joined forces with Megan, an expert movement trainer for 19 years, to create the Neuro Studio.
With the Neuro Studio, our big goal was to make movement accessible to everybody.
The duo wanted to share their knowledge with step-by-step online tutorials.
We have Parkinson-specific workouts, stroke-specific workouts.
Ederly Lima has MS and says balance can be a big problem. Pilates has helped her with specific foot exercises.
It's really helpful in terms of prevention of a fall.
Even her Pilates instructor has seen a big improvement.
I see more balance in her body.
For Parkinson's disease, studies show symptoms were reduced by walking outside or on a treadmill, light weightlifting, balance and gait training, Tai Chi, and dancing. And for stroke survivors, stretching, pushing to their full range of motion at least 3 times a day, reduced spasticity.
If you can start prehabbing the things that might become problems, you can prevent a lot of disability later on.
Proving movement may be the best medicine. I'm Jessica Sanchez reporting.